It was originally in a fire that was a 5-alarm fire. It was the Callahan tire fire, so there were hundreds of burning rubber tires, so anything that's along with burning rubber was stuck to the gear. Well, it was very black and dark. I don't know exactly what contaminant's in there. To my understanding, it was sent off by our department for a water-based cleaning. It was sent off twice, and it came back still very dirty. Well, for me, it's very important because of the rise in firefighter cancer-related injuries. Just being visually able to see it is concerning, even though there are a lot of contaminants that you can't see. It was very obvious that they were there. So I always did my best to avoid wearing that gear as much as I could. So seeing this new cleaning process that we were gonna start with you guys, we took before pictures and after pictures, and just the look of it was a huge difference. It actually came back and looked like new gear again. The results really surprised me. I didn't have a lot of high hopes. I didn't understand the whole process that you guys had either. But when it came back and it was actually usable gear again, that's definitely what surprised me the most.